Sir Chief! Sorry ka, Maya.
Sige, tuloy ka, Maya.
Sir Chief, ito na po yung kape niyo. Sir Chief, nabalitaan po ba yung balita na nangunguna na yung company nila, Joya? Joya, hindi po ba kayo na-afraid?
You know what, Maya? I'm not afraid of your company.
Pero Sir Chief, baka po malugi yung company natin. Malugi, tapos mawawalan po ako ng trabaho.
You know what, Maya?
Hindi po ka. You know what, Maya? Inom mo kape ha? Ay, sorry. Sorry. Dali na, inom. Gusto itong suya ha.
Don't worry about competing. We just have to do our best. We need sacrifice, time commitment, and personal development, and unselfishness. Remember what Jackson Brown says that
Ano po?
when you give your best to the world returns the favor.
Pilit na sila po ako sa inyo, Sir Chief. Uwi na kayo. Sige, Sir